Hey, today we're going to open a Hoverball helicopter. We're going to open and fly it. Let's see how this thing works. There's the box. Well, I don't read it very good. It seems to be in Chinese. Language I never learned. Well, let's open it up. What do we have here? The helicopter and a charger cable. And let's look right out there, doesn't it? Tape these. Oops. Still seems to be taped down, doesn't it? Well, we can fix that. Cut that tape. There we go. There's your helicopter, or hoverball, whatever you want to call it. There's your helicopter wings, propellers, switch right there on the bottom. There's your cord for charging. There, no, it plugs right in there. Okay. Other end hooks to a USB port on your computer. Alright, there it is. Let's go charge it up here in a minute. We'll see how it flies. There, we hook it up to the PC. Right there, USB port. Turn the lights off. See that red light? That means it's charging. Alright. See the lights off? That means it's ready. I think we can do some flying here now. I got most of the lights off in the room so you can see the colors on the ball here. Turn the little switch on. It's real small, so it's kind of hard to see. There it is. Gives it 2 or 3 seconds and takes off. Whoa, put your hand under it. It senses it and comes back up. Now I got the lights on. Let's do some flying here. Turn your switch on. Oop, I didn't have it straight up, did I? Took off to the side. Let's do this again. We'll get it picked up here. Turn the switch off to reset it. Turn the switch on. There it goes. Whoa. Yeah. Now as the battery begins to run down, it gets closer to your hand before it senses it. That's what's happening here. But it's flying pretty good, isn't it? Look at it go. I'll catch it, move it back over here. When the battery's really charged up, it's hard to catch. Whoop, up it goes. Catch it. There we go. Whoop, up. See it cinch your hand there? These are mainly for indoor. You get outdoor and they don't work too good. But okay, that's how it goes. See you next time.